How to use ArcCatalog. So if you look at your GIS data in Windows Explorer, you'll find that all of the shapefiles, this little SHP here, is really not the entire story. Every shapefile actually is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or more small subfiles. There's one that holds the data. There's one that holds the projection. I don't even know what all their different uses are, but a shapefile is actually a collection of 7 or 8 files. One thing that ArcCatalog does for you, if you load the standalone ArcCatalog application, is it just processes these for you. It combines these all and sort of puts just the front .shp name on display. So here's roads displayed in ArcCatalog, here's roads displayed in Windows Explorer. And why that's convenient is if I wanted to change, say, one of the names over here, I'd have to change it in every single instance. In ArcCatalog, if I click on it slowly, I should be able to change, like I'm just going to make the R lowercase here. And what it will do is if I refresh this, it will change it for all of them. And you'll notice here we picked up a lock file. All that means is that the shapefile is in use because we're messing with it in ArcCatalog. Another thing you can do in ArcCatalog is you can take a look to get a quick preview of what the data files look like. In fact, if you use the arrow keys and scroll up and down, you can't see it scrolling in the contents pane, but you can, get a preview of everything that's in that directory. And also you can get a description of everything that's in that directory. These will all have descriptions because they were prepared by a government agency who bothered to put metadata in. Frequently when you create your own shapefiles, you may not bother, but you probably should. And even, let's go back to the folder. You can even, in ArcCatalog, you can add a new anything. You can add a new shapefile, a new empty shapefile, and it'll ask you to give it a name, and is it going to be a point, line, or polygon? That can be done in ArcCatalog. So ArcCatalog is useful, but you might almost never use this standalone application unless you want to use the preview and description, because ArcMap itself, let's make that big, has an ArcCatalog built in. So if this weren't here, let's pretend that weren't here, you could get it by using the little ArcCatalog icon, or by going to the Windows menu and clicking Catalog. And just like every other pane, this is dockable. You could put it where you want. I kind of like it over on the right here. And you can do some of the same things. You could add a new shapefile. You could rename a shapefile. And you can just drag, shapefiles into your map. It's nice and convenient that way.